Hi, my name is Johanna and I will tell you about the events we organize at ESN TalTech IC. Every week we organize different events for the international students to bring them together with different purposes. We have a high range of events such as language exchange, karaoke, city games, city tours, laser tag, sauna and international dinner. The event manager is the one who deals with all these. I come up with an action plan at the beginning of the semester and then try to divide tasks and activities based on the interest through the semester. Our events differ from each other a lot. We classify them through the different courses that ESN has. They also different in sizes too. There might be an event where up to 20 people and there might be an event where you have to host a whole university. Let me tell you about our international dinner. Every semester we organize our biggest and most awaited event, international dinner. We bring students from different nationalities together at TalTech and let them present their country by bringing their national food and do a live performance. There is also a competition between each team, so they have a motivation to present their country in the best possible way. Last time we organized it, we had around 400 people attending it with 15 teams participating there, which guarantees a lot of fun. Other than memorable events and activities that we do in ESN TalTech IC, we also have two excellent travel partners, Maretti and Time Travels, that provides us with trips every semester to different directions. To Lapland, Sweden, St. Petersburg, around Estonia, Saaremaa Island, the Baltics and many more. We send our most active members to visit Lapland for free also. Lapland trips also exceed our expectations. Magical polar circle, tons of snow, husky ride, meeting with Santa Claus in his village and swimming in the frozen lake. These are just some of the things that we do on that trip. So every semester we go to Lapland to have an experience of a lifetime. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, ESN TalTech IC.